Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott air suspension compressor for the Lincoln Navigator U326 and Ford Expedition U324. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the passenger's side tire. Remove the fender well shroud and locate and disconnect the compressor's electrical connector. Next, locate and disconnect the air outlet tube fitting. To disconnect the airline, use 2 fingers to push up on the airline fitting, orange ring, while pulling down on the air tube. Remove the 3 bolts securing the compressor mounting bracket to the vehicle. You can now remove the air suspension compressor from the vehicle. Install the new air suspension compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Secure the intake baffle in a suitable location away from the moving parts or heat sources. When installing the air tube, push the tubing into the fitting until it bottoms out. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the air suspension compressor with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.